So as expected, Apple just dropped the iPhone 16e. This is the new 2025 iPhone SE4 that was rumored, or iPhone SE 2025. Those are all put to bed. The official name is iPhone 16e, and it is exactly what we had hoped, but there are a couple catches here. We are finally getting a base storage jump to 128 gigs. That was anticipated. However, the starting price is now $599. This is a lot higher than a lot of people were thinking, especially when the prior model was beyond $429. It was well under 450 bucks, let alone now 600. However, what you're getting is pretty substantial of an upgrade. You are still only getting that one single camera though. You're getting Apple Intelligence and a lot of the newer features on the iPhone 16 models as far as feature set goes, not hardware. Just keep that in mind. Aside from that, as you can see from all these images, it is only coming in white and black. There is no product red currently offered, and everything else is, like I said, as anticipated. There is no dynamic island. You are still getting that notch, but gone is Touch ID, and now you are getting Face ID as well as USB Type-C charging. And thanks to Apple Intelligence, you are now also going to get 8 gigs of RAM on this device, and it should work pretty well. Unfortunately, it still does look like a 60Hz refresh rate. I need to confirm that. Comment down below and verify, guys, but I definitely do believe this is only a 60Hz display. And again, sadly, for the price, I just don't know why Apple still does not move to 120 Hz refresh rates on all their displays, especially when you can get a Pixel that does. Even the rumored 9A is going to give you a lower price point with a higher refresh rate display. It really does make a difference nowadays. I know a lot of people will complain and say it's not anything of note unless you've actually come from 120 Hz, but it's the fact of the matter. It is smoother. It is a better experience. So hopefully Apple will start to implement these on the iPhone 17 series from the base model all the way up to the Pro Max. Aside from all of this, what do you guys think? It's been rumored for a while. Their new naming scheme does align with the family aspect of devices, so I do like the E monkier here. But let us know in the comments down below. Just a quick video to show you that it is live. They do have a product video out there now for this release and everything, so pre-orders do open Friday. What do you guys think? Are you ordering one? Comment down below, and we'll have a lot more to come. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.